Well, we're going camping right now, so I hope we are, because it's gonna be rain and thunderstorms.
Tomorrow's supposed to be rain and thunderstorms all day, so we got the big canvas tent.
Yes.
And hopefully we can set that up and get to a campsite real quick. We're going to a brand new place we've never been before. And there's only like 8 or 9 campsites there. Hopefully we get one. So we're gonna bring our pizzas and eat lunch there.
Made our quick stop at the Racket River Brewing. We're here getting some wood-fired pizza from the Fusion Street Food trailer. But we're getting the wood-fired pizza. We got our last trip and it was amazing. These two are just scrapping it out. But we're about 45 minutes away from a new destination for us. We're going to be going to Moose Pond.
Check this pizza out. Look at that thing.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
That's a good looking pizza. After getting lost a few times, we found the dirt road to get to the pond, we hope.
Well, we finally made it. As we were unloading everything and getting the canoes loaded up. We're swatting at a bazillion black flies, so we left Kate in the car and got everything loaded up. But now that we're out on the pond, with all the wind, there's no bugs out here, so it's kind of nice. Works out well. Be interested to see how buggy the campsite is, but we've got that big old Robin's tent to go hide and get away from them if we need.
We got pretty lost, like I said before, but we get here and we're the only car in the parking lot, and we thought we were going to have this place to ourselves, but somebody pulled in right behind us. We're the first ones on the water. We got our pick of campsites, and we're going to get set up and then get fishing. Alright, this is home. We got this nice point.
Bring the wind!
No boy.
Black flies!
The black flies are pretty bad, but they're not bad at this side. Look at this view though.
Oh,
This is pretty.
that is a cup of coffee in the morning. It's gonna be real nice.
Yeah, there's Whiteface Mountain right there in the distance. Not too many places you get a campsite with a view of the mountains like this. I think we're going to be the only ones camping here.
Welcome, man.
What do you think of that view?
Great. It's really, really nice.
Pretty nice.
I'd be interested to see with that sunrise and sunset what it looks like.
This is a pretty beautiful pond. It's small, but the views are beautiful. Feels like you're sitting down in the bowl in the middle of nowhere in the wilderness. Oh, it's just a little smallmouth. Little smallmouth, cool guy. At least we got something. Look at that. It's just so nice out here. Very nice out here. Here's home. And check this. Used to be an old homestead in the early 1800s, I believe I read. I don't know how good this camera's going to pick up. It's pretty low light. You can see the old foundation here of the house. And the big chimney's still standing after all these years. It's right at our campsite. It's pretty cool. And then the back foundation right there. Rookie move. I put the tent up and I got the tent up. I'm in it now. The bugs are so bad. The black flies are crazy. And I went down to my boat to get something out of my boat. My boat's gone. Logan was out paddling with Cade. I called Logan. I could tell by his voice right away. He tried messing with me. I knew he had it.
We're pulling up here on the fish machine. What's up, bro?
You got my phone?
No, man. What are you talking about? I don't see a boat just floating over here next to the rocks. No. Oh, you're breaking up.
I can tell by your voice, you got it.
Yeah, I see it right here.
I was setting the tent up, dude. I pulled my boat up on the shore, dude. Like up on freaking sand.
Hey, John, you're on camera too. I'm recording as I get up to it. I thought you were over here fishing because I seen your white pole sticking out of the side. Then I'm like, wait, it's not moving at all. And then I'm like, oh, it was just floating. I thought I didn't see John in there. So I rolled up with the camera on. I'm just reeling in right now. I'll grab it. We'll secure your craft and. Dude, that's hilarious. All right, bro, we got her for you though, man. We'll save her. Oh, look at that, the fish finder in there. Oh, go, look at the action camera. Look at that fish. Oh, that'd have been a nice find right there, boy. Reel this in now that we're talking about it.
My boat. How far did it get?
All the way down there to that big rock. Floated into it.
Thank you. Isn't that funny? I could tell as soon as you answered, I knew you had it.
Yeah.
There she is. Things just keep getting crazier. So my boat was missing and Logan brought it back. And I went down to my boat, the paddle wasn't in it. So I had to take Logan's paddle and go up the shoreline and find my paddle. Luckily I found my paddle.
Kate and I got off at this other campsite here that we went by. Let's see if we made a mistake. And this one has more room for the Robins, and we should come back here. Let's see. Ooh, we're grabbing that wood, bud. Sorry. We gotta grab it.
Well, guess what, Dad? I'm gonna grab this rope. I'm gonna put this rope with you, Dad.
All right. Decent tent site right there. Really, it's just a nice spot to sit, chill by the campfire, sit down here in the water. Let's go to the other side real quick. Oh, this is beautiful. This is nice. Bring your tent right over here and stay. Yeah, looks like there's a tent site down there. Gonna fish off this for a minute. So we threw in 6 casts. No luck over there. What do you think about this site, bud? It's pretty nice.
It's pretty good, and I found another piece. So this was put down in my pocket.
This is really nice.
Yo, Bruce. Yo, Bruce,
There's a beach over there. We'll check that out. This is all just sticking out on this peninsula here. No room for the Robin. There's another really nice campsite. It's all sand. And then that has got to be the grassiest campsite I've ever seen. Little breaker wall up here, so very nice. All sand. this site turned out to be really nice. It's got a rock dock, as Cade called it. It's just all sand. And you'll notice right here, I'll zoom in. Peace sign made out of rocks. Awesome. Huge fire pit. Tons of wood. The joys of not having to do a portage. Running into sites that have tons of huge amounts of wood like that. It's crazy. Big chunks. Even got a rake. And definitely the most grass I've ever seen at a campsite. The Robins would probably fit right here, just right. Perfect. Only downfall to this site is it is very windy. There's no chance of you catching fish right by this beach right here. And it doesn't have as good as a view as the site we're at right now, but really nice.
Look at these mountain views behind me. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, kind of a boring trip, but it's just nice to be out. It can't all be filled with excitement. Look how beautiful that is. The sky's starting to light up a little bit. Spring peepers are out. There's a loon. I think there's 2 loons out here. They should start calling each other pretty soon. I'm done for the night. Fishing's a bust. We got one little teeny tiny baby smallmouth bass. Yeah, sun's going down. I just paddled up and Logan's got the channel hooked up. It's looking pretty cool. We're in for the night. Got some sweet lights on the door. Woke up to a miserable morning. Making coffee, hot chocolate. Are we making burritos?
Oh yeah.
Breakfast burritos. And we're probably gonna pack up and get out. Rain finally let up a little bit. It poured probably from like 2 a.m. to just a little while ago. Yeah, we're just below a cloud. It's pretty wet.
My water's all done. Kate's got some hot chocolate marshmallows. And what, strawberry oatmeal, bud?
Yes.
Give it a little stir. 15 minutes.
Got the coffee all made up. Hey. Morning. Stay gone. Action food coming out soon.
Just about done. This knife is bacon. I just cut it into pieces with scissors, put it in a sandwich baggie,
And then same thing with eggs in a bottle.
yeah. Yeah. All right, we're cooking up right now. Got these eggs being added in here. Eggs, bacon, cheese, and salsa.
Good breakfast when you're out camping. What do you got there?
All right, man, so check this out. Everyone needs a good foundation.
What is it?
Oh, man, let's see. If you can guess. Headlamps. Kelly had put this in the garbage. I seen it in there and I was like, hey, that'd be perfectly good. I was like, I can use that. I pulled it out, cleaned it up, and as you can see, it works great for the headlamp so they don't get broke. Because my last headlamp, that's what happened with it. Got broke during transportation, didn't have a cover for it. So this is perfect.
Don't let him fool you. He takes his makeup out of there and puts his headlamps in before he leaves.
Yeah, I have to get my foundation, you know what I mean? I got to keep these black flies off me. There's our campsite, kids paddling us out.
Yep.
We decided to pack up and leave when there was a break in the rain, just make it a little easier. We'll fish on our way out. It was a quick camp trip. Just wanted to get out for a night or two and only ended up being one.
The mountains and the clouds look pretty nice.